So our next guest decided to become a vegan 7.5 years ago, which gave her the idea to share some of her vegan-inspired dishes online. Joining us now is the founder of the Jamaican Vegan Chick, Kerry-Ann Gray, who is in St. Louis, Missouri. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
Good morning. I am doing amazing. How about you?
Oh, you look amazing. I'm well. Give thanks, and thanks for asking.
Thank you.
Whenever we do these interviews, well, whenever I do these interviews, I always ask people to bring me up to date. Why are you in Missouri? When you leave us in Jamaica, which school you used to go? How come you turn vegan? All kind of things. So bring me up to date.
I left Jamaica about 15, 16 years ago. I used to live in Hartford, Connecticut, and then I met my Bonono's husband and I relocated to St. Louis, Missouri. Back home in Jamaica, I used to go to Manchester, Mandeville College School and then Denby High School. And from there, you know, started working as a preschool teacher, and then I migrated here. So
Fantastic.
yeah, it's
Fantastic.
going.
What
Mhm.
were you doing? What made you switch to a vegan diet? What were you eating before, and why did you think this would be the way to go?
Okay, so the killer was dairy was not my best friend, but I love cheese. I would eat cheese and I would drink the milk, but I would pay for it. And I was in this Facebook group where they're saying that, oh, we could do the 1 week no meat. And then I said, okay, I can try it. And I started, doing it. And then 1 week led to a month and a half. And then I started digging deeper into what veganism is about. And once I realized what veganism is about, I was like, oh, okay. So I can still have that almond milk, that cashew milk, that coconut milk with being cruelty free. So here I am, 7.5 years, and the only regret I have is that I should have done it a
Yeah.
long time ago, but
Yeah.
still trying it and just love this amazing lifestyle.
Yeah.
Apart from the health benefit, I get to be the voice for the voiceless animals.
Fantastic. Did you say with the dairy you paid for it? Is that what you said?
You know,
What that mean?
stomach hurt me.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't tolerate it well at all.
Okay.
It mashed me up. You
Yeah.
don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Some people,
not
because I'm not a vegan, but I only eat seafood, but some people think that if you go vegan, then it's bland and blah, and it not taste so wonderful. But there are ways to do this that you would never think that you're missing anything that you would have had earlier, right?
there's so amazing ways to cook and eat vegan, and it's full of flavors. I mean, full of flavors. Like, for example, oyster mushrooms, man, you just sprinkle the spices to the beats and the drums of our ancestors. Use up all the spices, use your resources. I used to grow up eating fried chicken, and oyster mushroom has become my best friend. If I'm craving for stuff, feeling like that fried chicken, I go and make some oyster mushroom and put all the spices, French fry it. Like, oh, that's that fried chicken, do it just like that.
Yeah.
And it's so good.
Yeah.
It's all about adding your spices.
Yeah.
That is it.
I just saw it and you said it that plantains and avocados are must-haves. Why?
Oh, as I say, your navel tree cut on a papaya tree. I think that's where my navel string was cut. Plantains is a must. Avocados, like I am the avocado whisperer. I always get a perfect avocado. And I always tell people as I joke on my Facebook, you see, if your avocado is not perfect, that means you weren't minding your business. So yeah, love avocados and plantains.
So
Love it so much.
give me some of
It's
the
a must.
dishes that you make. Give me a day of how you eat, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What's for breakfast?
I am not a huge breakfast person, believe it or not, but if I wake up and I'm like in the mood, I'll make an almond smoothie or a banana peanut butter smoothie, put my frozen bananas, my peanut butter, my oat milk or my almond milk or my coconut milk, put some chia seed in it and blend it up. And there you go. You have your protein that keeps you full for about 6, 7 hours. For lunch, I'll probably have a salad or I'll have leftovers. It all depending on what mood I am on. I'm in.
Yeah.
But curry is a must for me. It's like
Yeah.
everything. I love curry. I eat a lot of curry. I will curry the air we breathe.
What's your favorite dish?
Yeah.
What's your favorite dish?
What is my favorite dish? Curry. Curry chickpeas with coconut rice, plantains, and avocados. Whew, I'm salivating now talking about it. Love curry chickpeas, Gaspano. Love it. I would eat that every day.
Is there anything that you would have had before you became a vegan that you miss at all?
Um, so for me, seafood was one of the hardest to give up, like scallops, love scallops, but the king oyster mushrooms, once you marinate it in some nori seasoning and a little bit of smoked salt or pink salt, sea salt, and let that marinate overnight, and you toss that up in some butter and all that good stuff, rosemary, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. You cannot tell me I'm not eating scallop. It tastes just like that without the cruelty.
Boy,
It tastes really
the
amazing.
way you speak about the food, really, really, make me feel like I want to eat some right now. Really, really nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyone you want to say hi to before you go?
I want to give a shout out to my Facebook group, Garden Belly Cooking Show, my mom, my sister, everyone in Jamaica, all of my wonderful fans, their family. Just want to give a wonderful shout out to you guys. It's an amazing joy to have you in my life.
Stay safe. God bless you. Thanks for being with us this morning.
All right. Thank you so much. Take care.
Yeah,
Bye.
it's our pleasure. Kerry-Ann Gray, founder of the Jamaican Vegan Chick. Coming up next, we hear all about University Canada West and 10K Consultants. They have a virtual fair.